So welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, guys. Make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section, guys. Once again, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So let's see what GBP USD will be giving us for the day. So first thing, let's start with the trend. Now, if you take a look at this, your GBP USD right here, you can clearly see it that we are in a ranging market move. Market is what's very much ranging. As you can see, the market literally came up to tap this resistance, right? When it got to the resistance level, it rejected and dropped to tap our support. Then when it got to the support level, it rejected and eventually came back to tap our resistance. Then it eventually rejected from our resistance and dropped to tap our support. Market eventually rejected from our support and came back to tap our resistance. Then when it got to the resistance, it rejected and eventually dropped to tap our support. Market eventually rejected from our support level and came back to tap our resistance. Then it eventually rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support. Now, that is it, right? But when you now take a look at what market is doing right here, you can clearly see that this is a downtrend move. We are very much on a downtrend move, right? We are very much bearish. As you can see, this is our low, and here comes the lower high. Market was able to drop to form a new lower low right here. This is a new lower low that market literally formed, right? Now here comes the pullback, which is our lower high. Now that market has given us a pullback, which is a lower high, market eventually was able to now drop to form a new lower low, and this is the pullback, which is the lower high. So market eventually gave us a pullback, which is the lower high, and it's dropped a little bit to form an equal low right here. So with this equal low right here that market has given us, we should expect market to eventually drop further to completely give us a new low, thereby taking out this low. So guys, all we can say is still a bearish move. The movement to the downside is still what we are going to be expecting on our GBP USD. Now let's drop down to our 4-hour time frame right here, guys. So this is our 4-hour time frame. This is our low and our lower high. This is also our lower low. Here comes the lower high. So now market is dropping. We should expect the drop to continue till it is able to take out this low. So going for the sell right here, if you are watching this analysis, going for the sell, and look to grab between 50 to 60 pips for the day on GBP USD. More update on this will be covered for you guys, so subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates.